The 2025 Lamborghini Temerario is not just a new supercar, it represents the next evolution in Lamborghini's legendary bloodline. Replacing the beloved Huracán, the Temerario is a bold statement in performance design and technological innovation. It fuses traditional Lamborghini DNA with cutting-edge hybrid technology, offering an exhilarating driving experience that balances raw power with intelligent control. From the outside, the Temerario is unmistakably a Lamborghini. Sharp, aggressive lines dominate the bodywork, while every curve and edge serves an aerodynamic purpose. At the front, hexagonal LED daytime running lights flank a pronounced nose, giving the car a futuristic and intimidating presence. The roof is designed with a concave profile that channels airflow efficiently toward the rear spoiler, enhancing stability at high speeds. Vortex generators located under the car work in tandem with other aerodynamic features to maintain optimal downforce. For those seeking to reduce weight and maximize aerodynamic efficiency, Lamborghini offers the Alleggerita package. This optional package shaves more than 25 kilograms off the car's weight and increases aerodynamic load by a staggering 158% compared to the Huracán Evo. The car is also offered with over 400 different body colors and special liveries through Lamborghini's ad personam customization program, ensuring that each Temerario can be a unique expression of its owner's taste. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine with a flat-plane crankshaft and titanium connecting rods. This setup allows the engine to rev to an astonishing 10,000 RPM, delivering a raw, visceral soundtrack. But the Temerario doesn't stop there. It incorporates a hybrid system featuring 3 electric motors, 2 on the front axle and 1 integrated into the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. The result is a combined output of 907 horsepower, 920 PS, enabling the car to launch from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, in just 3 seconds, 2.7 seconds. The top speed exceeds 340 kilometers per hour, 213 miles per hour, putting it firmly in the realm of hypercars. Driving dynamics are at the core of the Temerario's appeal. Lamborghini has introduced LDVI 2.0, Lamborghini Dinamica Veicolo Integrata, an advanced predictive control system that adapts to road conditions in real time. It factors in terrain grip, driver inputs, and vehicle behavior to manage acceleration, braking, and torque distribution. This makes the Temerario not just fast, but smart and agile. The car offers up to 13 different combinations of driving and energy modes, including Città, City, Strada, Street, Sport, and Corsa, Race. Each mode adjusts parameters like power delivery, suspension stiffness, and regenerative braking to suit different driving conditions. A particularly exciting feature is the drift control enhancement. The system includes 3 dedicated drift levels, allowing drivers to fine-tune how much the rear end steps out during aggressive cornering. This isn't just for show, it offers skilled drivers the ability to explore the car's limits in a controlled and safe manner. Inside, the Temerario offers an equally thrilling experience. It features a tri-screen setup that immerses the driver and passenger in a digital cockpit. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster sits behind the steering wheel, offering customizable views including performance stats, navigation, and hybrid system data. The 8.4-inch central infotainment touchscreen provides controls for climate, media, and vehicle settings, while the 9.1-inch passenger display allows the co-pilot to engage with the journey through telemetry data and entertainment features. The interior materials are quintessential Lamborghini. Carbon fiber accents, premium leather, and Corsatex by Dinamica Suede come together in a cabin that is both luxurious and performance-oriented. Every surface feels meticulously crafted. The steering wheel is inspired by motorsport design, featuring a flat-bottom shape and integrated controls for driving modes, launch control, and media functions. The Red Crown Drive Mode selector at the center of the wheel gives the driver instant access to the car's dynamic personality. Despite its race-focused nature, the Temerario doesn't sacrifice practicality. It rides on an all-aluminum chassis that enhances structural rigidity while keeping weight down. Compared to the Huracán, the new chassis offers 34 mm more headroom and 46 mm more legroom, improving comfort for taller drivers and passengers. Up front, there's a usable storage compartment offering 112 litres of space, enough for a weekend bag or even compact sports equipment. The fusion of design, power and technology makes the Temerario one of the most exciting releases in Lamborghini's recent history. It's not just about speed, it's about how intelligently that speed is delivered. The combination of a screaming V8, instant electric torque, and adaptive driving systems gives the Temerario a multi-dimensional character. Whether navigating tight urban streets or unleashing its fury on a racetrack, the car adapts, responds, and thrills. Ultimately, the 2025 Lamborghini Temerario is more than a successor to the Huracán. It is a bold new chapter that blends tradition with innovation. It shows that performance need not come at the cost of responsibility, that power can coexist with precision, and that supercars still have the capacity to surprise and inspire. With its jaw-dropping looks, mind-bending speed, and state-of-the-art tech, the Temerario is a true modern masterpiece worthy of the Raging Bull emblem.